Good morning, girls. It's a bag time, so for our project I will use this nice goblin fabric. It's a floral fabric. Also some leather pieces, genuine Italian leather in brown and blue. I made the patterns. I will use them for the first time, so we will see what will happen. Front panel, side panel, it will look like this, and also this is the bottom. Bottom, side panel, something like this. I hope you understand. This is the part for the zipper and for the side ring parts. These are the metal parts we will use, the buckle. And this time the metal parts will be rectangle, the zippers for the inside, one zipper, and let's cut. Okay, first the front panel. I already made them and pinned them with the pins. It will look like this. It is not stitched. I just fixed the denim and the floral parts. This is the back side. We have two pieces, front and back. For the side panels I will use the floral fabric and a denim piece as a pocket. Cut it a little bit bigger to make a real nice pocket. I also have some leather denim pieces like pockets from another project. When I tried my new sewing machine, I wondered where to use them, so now I will use them for this project. Here is something wrong, but we will hide it with the denim piece. And this pocket will be on the front side with the logo of my company. You will see it stitched later. Now we have to fix the floral and the denim parts. This is the back side. They are ready. It will be a bag with a lot of pockets. This is the front side, the side with the pocket, with the denim pocket. And let's use the pins to fix the side panels, because we have to stitch them. It will look like this: back panel and side panel. Also the other side panel on the other side. So for the handles we will use small leather pieces. I made the pattern. Just draw them. They will look like this, and we have to cut the leather pieces. Let's try. They are wide enough. Everything looks good. Let's try the other shape. Yes, it's okay. It's nice too for this one. We have 6 leather pieces and 6 metal pieces. We fixed the leather pieces. The handles will be put on these metal parts. So now we have to make the same on the back side. I stitched the leather parts also on the back side. Now we have to fix them with the metal studs. First make the holes. They will look like this, and on the front side too. Now with the pressing machine I have to change the shape. This way I make muscles. Okay, now with the pocket. For this denim piece I will use also a small leather piece. Make something more extravagant if you want. Just a distressed shape. The denim part on top of it. And this is how to turn the defect in effect. It will look like this. Our pocket is ready. Now I choose this blue leather part. It will be like an embellishment. I will make a hole for the pocket and you will see how it will look. It's nice like this, I like it. And now I have to cut it because it's a little bit longer than it's necessary. Also, I like it to be round. And I will put some metal studs to be more interesting. And again, to make some muscles with the pressing machine. It's done. It looks nice. Also, I will put some studs on the pocket. And our front panel is ready with my logo. So the parts are stitched. You can see the bag is open. Now we will close the side stitching. It will look like this. But first we have to stitch the other leather pocket, something like this, and you can see it. I find a place for it finally. And now we have to make the bottom. For the bottom I will use a leather piece. Let's see which one will fit. I have different sizes of brown leather pieces. That one or the other one. This one, no, it's not okay. So let's try the other one. That's it. Draw and cut the size you need. And now we have to turn the bag and we will fix the bottom. It will look like this. We have to stitch it. Yes, it's ready. I always use double stitching to be more safe. Turn the bag and let's see what will happen, how it will look like. It's nice. And now we have to cut and fix the threads. For the zipper we will use leather pieces, and let's check this one. I think it will be enough for 2 pieces. Let's make the first one. That's okay, 2 pieces. We have to cut them. They will be like this. We have to stitch the zipper. It's done. Let's try to open it. It's okay. Our zipper is a little bit longer than we need, but for the end we will cut a small blue piece and I will show you how to finish the zipper. That's all for today. It was the first part of our bag project. If you like it, wait for more, subscribe, like, comment. See you the next time. Be happy. Bye.